Okay, what's up, YouTubers? It's your boy Bonnie Blade, aka Budget Dad. But you already know this if you watch some of my videos. That's right. Alright, so what we looking at? Looking at this bright light, that's for sure. Let me turn this off. That's a night light that's on the bug. Probably be able to see it a little better now. Around that light. Bright light in your face. Purpose of these antennas is to beef up my FPV on the camera that comes with the Bugs 5W. Now the beauty of it is right now this is vertical. Now vertical is nice for FPV if you're flying low. I do vertical when I'm flying low. You flying high, I can go horizontally. And as you can see, the propellers, the proms can spin freely. And the bird can perform the way it's supposed to, whether it's horizontally or vertically. Or you could even do one of each. Bugs 5W, beefed up. Now this is, I could always, when I'm doing that's for long distance, for long range. Usually when I'm doing my FP van, it's 5 point, this is a dual antenna, 5.8 and 2.4. So this would accommodate both. And the reason why this is ideal for FPV, it's able to fly around object, and you get least bit of interference than if you're just using um, a vertical compared to horizontally. Okay, now this is not about this bird. This bird is pretty much completed. I told you guys I was going to show you how step by step how to embed a camera inside your bird, inside the Bugs 5. And that's what this one is for. As you can see, the only upgrade this one has had is you did a little bit on the FPV for this, so you could pick it up on your phone when you're using the Bugs app. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna embed a camera in here, and I apologize for not showing how to take the prompts off. Actually, I'm going to show you right now, but there's not going to be any audio. But as I said, these two will loosen counterclockwise, while these loosen clockwise. So it's either this way or that way. But these two is going to loosen either counterclockwise or clockwise. And actually, it tells you right here. I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up real good, but right here it tells you A and B. So these two are B's. These two here are B's, while these two here are A's. So on your prompt, if you look on your prompt, trying to get it in focus, probably won't, but right here on the prompts, it'll tell you if it's an A or a B. So what I did, when I pull them apart, I just lay them in order. And so when I put them back, I just put them back. I just faced the bird this way. I took this one off, put it up top. This one bottom, top, bottom. So okay, so let's do this. And also to accommodate this little project, this is a camera that we're going to be putting in there, and this is a very little handy little device. Right now, I had it taped onto a piece of board. I just built, but this is actually the camera here that we're going to be using. So you have the camera here, you have the motherboard here, you have your power, which is negative and positive, which require I think this one use up to 5 volts. That's what we're gonna give this 5 volts. I think this can use up to 6. And this antenna here, it's a snap off, snap on thing. So this is a 5.8 antenna I just took off of here. And as you can see over here, I have a whole lot of antennas. All of these are antennas. I have a whole lot of antennas. So one day I'm gonna do some antenna tests. I'm gonna do some tests with antennas, but after I finish with this project here, then I'll go to do some antenna tests, and I could, and like these, like how I take this off, um, you could always reuse these. Well, this is 5.8. Now this is 2.4. Now if you had a old one of those little toy drones where you open the remote control and inside there is just a wire, piece of wire. Now you could utilize this. I took this out of the remote control, out of the Bugs 5W. I took it out of this remote control because what I did, I put a SMA on there and I upgraded where I can put my own antenna on it. So I didn't need this. I took this out. So, but this still is good. I could utilize this. Actually, I have a little project that I'm working on. I'll show you real quick. Yeah, I have this little whip, this little project right here, this little whip that I'm working on, and this is the remote control here. Um, with the whip, I probably could use this and put it on here and have it hang somewhere down here. So this is something I could always utilize in the future, and or I could also actually put it in the remote. But if I'm gonna do something with the remote, I'll just stick a SMA on there and just put a little one of these little um, well, these are 5.8, but I'll get one of these little small, one of these little small 2.4 and just stick it on there, you know. All right, so enough with the antenna. Now it's time to go inside the bird